Time to install something, right? It's always fun to install other distros. In this case, Linux Mint is out there with a new release. And I do it for entertainment, for sure, but also for the support. These guys and other guys, of course, they get the support for the sardi icons and the surfn icons. Both of them have been developed by yours truly, and it gives me a reason to distro hop as well. Take a look over the fence and then apply anything I like into ArcoLinux. So let's see at the mitigation. Again, Spectre is everywhere on all the Linux kernels of all the distros. This is a mouse we recognize, right? Beta cursor. It's just the black one. I prefer the white one. And we're gonna install the Linux Mint. Double click and then magic happens, because look at that. Will it be Calamares or not? Right? It's always a question. There's several tools that you can have. In this case, when you think, is this Calamares or not? I'm gonna choose English, sure. Belgian, of course. Azerty. Wait for it. Multimedia, sure, but this is a VirtualBox, so I don't care. Slower than normal. Advanced features, you can do some stuff here if you want, but I always say start with the normal installation. It gets already complex enough. And then you tell who you are. And off it goes. And in the meantime, we can have a look. We can make the screen bigger. We don't need to make the screen bigger because this is the virtual, well, the installation. I mean, I have to do it again later on in the actual machine, but this is the live DVD. But for recording's sake, there you go. Put you over there. So, design-wise, what do we get? Always fun. Some backgrounds. Lots of guys. Virginia is a new name, I guess. Bulgaria then. But basically, I'm more of one of the countries I recognize, but I can't move this thing out now. Okay, there he is. Corsica is one of the countries already visited. Beautiful. But yeah, that's the other things that I've been as well. So Corsica. Cool. And then one more. It is slow. It is slow. He's you know, doing all kind of things. The cursor is okay. Stop clicking, Eric. You're making it worse. As long as this slider keeps going, right, I can live with it. I can be patient. We need to reboot anyway. Okay, I clicked again. Sorry, Virginia. I keep trying. Shouldn't do that. Well, I wanted to look around, but I can't. Let's pause the video a bit. So, unresponsive or not, we have here the message to reboot. So Ctrl R reboots a VirtualBox, and we're booting into Linux Mint. So the white cursor, that's ours. And the black cursor, that's Linux Mint. Exactly the same family, just another choice. Bipata cursor. How fun is that? So we get this, and we get the blah blah. This one I can click. It's still not responsive for some reason. Right? What could be the reason that this Linux Mint does not react to my buttons? Nothing to do here. Let's see. This reacts fine. Let's do a super F7 again. Let's clean some stuff up. No, okay, no problem. I thought there was no, but this works just fine. This one, we can remove things. Yes, sure, no problem. We can remove this. Let's clean up a little bit. What is the difference here? What are the settings? Advanced system. Sure, a little bit more. We're in here. Why not change a little bit more, right? Some more processor power. This is good. That's good. Display is the max. All right, let's see. Go for it. Show me you can do it. The mouse is there, typing. Yeah, wait. Choices. It's not Wayland, so that's good. Let's try the default, and otherwise we'll try the software rendering. But never Wayland, not on VirtualBox. It's alive. The beast is alive. Let's go launch some colors. Sure. So nothing new here. Nope. Let's just go for dark, and blue is good. Usually I take the advanced options, where we go back to Bipata Modern Eyes. Let's take that blue one. Breeze Dark is there as well. Look at that, right? This one is nice. Choose, choose, choose. Voila. And then we can go back to simplified. Simplified if you want to. This is a, well, the old look. And we go to bigger screen. Sorry, bigger screen is up here. Down here, display, click, and all the way up, still up. That's the one I need. Well, so first a look. Let's go by category. GNOME disks is here, file renamer, nodes redshift is here, warpinator is here. We have that all on the AWAR. This is our USB stick that we're using in ArcoLinux, right? It's Mint stick. Has been burning thousands of ISO on a USB or from formatting, and USB FAT32. Transmission is here, web apps, Office is here, LibreOffice. There's so many offices. Hypnotics is always there, celluloid, written box, administration wise. That's what we get. Time shift is there. Right. Remember, Qt5 settings can mess things up, certainly on Plasma, so remove it. All right, so that's what we get. Cool. Then we go to the internet. The internet, we go to use Firefox, and we are looking for the sardi icons, and they are on SourceForge, nowhere else. And sure, why would you go translate my own language? Really? sardi downloads. I accept everything, I go to the files, and I say go grab the very last one. Time to make 2401. Probably will have something to do. And then the other one is the surfn icons, and those guys are on GitHub. This one can be extracted already. Extract here. Then I rather open a new one, if that's possible. File manager is called Nemo. And in this case, you need to create a .icons folder. And in here, he has already set that Bibaten Modern Ice is in control, right? So this is where it writes something so that the system knows that's the cursor, the white one, right? But we need to put something else here, our new icons. And if you're on Plasma, you need to put it in .local share icons. It's all knowledge. That's something you can get on ArcoLinux. So, still downloading sardi icons. Oh my god. Yep, there they are. Okay. Extract here. Control A. Zoom. Make sure they're not inside a surfn folder. So, not there, but there. Okay. And that's that. Everything can be closed. And now we play. Do I need to change anything regarding the icons? This takes long, of course. It's going over, I don't know, 30-ish folders of icons. So it's gonna check each one of them and say, okay, this is that, this is this. So you can make a nice long list, and that's now ready. So we have here the defaults, but also the others. Numix is here, Papyrus is here, but sardi is here. And often I take the sardi flexible arc, which is this nice folder. But what I'm looking for is everything blue, right? All applications is everything blue. All the apps delivered by Linux Mint or Solus or back in the days and Tergos, right? Anything out of the order. Doesn't seem to be, and that's a MIME, so that's something else. It's a file like these guys. So no work to be done. That's good news for me. And the last check, of course, this is the blue guy. So there are many more guys. There is sardi flat. So flat is going to look like this, and so on, right? You just have a look around, like sardi ghost flexible. Maybe you like this, all in white. Right, let's quickly check as well. Everything white, everything white, everything white. Check. And then there's a mono, which I used in the release of ArcoLinux 4 years ago or something like that. Was it this one or that one? I don't recall. But oh, my mistake. This button. So that's this folder, but that's not the one I was talking about. The sardi mono. So this one. Yeah, this one. So it's all nice and gray, a little bit darker, lighter, but basically it's gray. It's monocolor. And now let's go to the surfn. So there are more things, but there's also Yaru installed, I see. And here is surfn, one of the surfns. Yep, sure. So another way of looking at things. And yeah, you choose the theme, the icon theme you like. Everything looks okay. It's strange to, but I do recognize when an icon theme is not, when an icon of an app is not the correct one. You immediately notice that. So voila, Linux Mint, all covered, all done. Nothing to be done basically, except maybe install some more stuff. For those who are interested in scripts, there is always something on here for Linux Mint. And where can we do that? Here, and then here. Mint is enough, or Linux Mint. And then you find information here, the Linux Mint, Cinnamon, and all kinds of stuff from the past. The past goes a long way. So 17.1 was 2016, already 8 years ago. But I keep track of what happens on Linux Mint. All right. Enjoy the icons, enjoy Linux Mint. Cheers.